smoke. That's a lot of smoke. Can I go?
That's a lot of smoke. I'm just taking a video right now. That's a hell of a lot of smoke. God. Whoa! What the heck?
I have to go in. My phone's died.
Nothing come out still. Just watch.
Oh, okay.
I'll take the video. So right now currently I am. Close the door. Whoa!
Whoa, that? Fireworks everywhere.
I don't know where it's coming from.
There.
Because there's one there.
There. That's a car. I think it's that. Wait, why am I talking so much?
Don't know. Where's the smoke? I think it's coming from over there.
Come on over there.
I just saw light over there.
Yeah, I think. We've got a ring fireworks display. Well, ones that burn.
Oh God! I just saw. Oh!
Oh,
I just saw a. I saw a bit. Oh, that's a shame.
Smoke from my hot wraps.
There's a lot of smoke in the air that we can smell it. God.
What is this one behind the house? Oh, seriously. With my camera, all you need is pitch black.
Oh my God! I just saw one about to make a big bang.
Whoa! You missed it. That was so good.
Why?
That was like
I wonder why.
I can't express myself with my ears.
Why is the fireworks always going off first and then the noise comes second?
I'll look this way. You look that way.
Oh, okay. Annie? Tell me when you see any, and I'll tell you when I see any.
Smoke.
Oh! Oh!
Whoa! Whoa! What was that?
There's more. There we go. Oh! Wow! Oh my God! There's even more.
Whoa! They must love it.
There's even more. Oh my God!
Whoa!
This is so crazy.
Whoa!
This is so crazy.
Doing that? Oh my God!
This is so
I don't
crazy.
think the camera can even see it. I think they're seeing the car. Oh!
Shut up.
Not me. Back to checking this
I
one.
think that's it. But seriously, that was so cool. What are you telling me there's more? No, it's not. I'm guessing that's it. That's it. No. Oh, here's some cheering.
I can hear you.
I think that's it. That's a good one. That was a good one. Oh wait, did I just hear something? Probably. Oh God. There's more.
Whose car is that?
Don't know. Oh, there's more over here. Oh, it's here. It's here. It's here.
I was just about to open my ear. God. No man, I'm keeping my ears tightly tucked in like a baby.
I think that side's
I'm
way
even
more
folding
better.
my ears.
I think that side's way more better.
It's the most noisy time of the year.
Yeah, it is.
Cars flashing green.
Oh, wait, oh gosh. There's big bangs.
It's like 4th of July.
If we come over there, on the other side of the street, we can see all the fireworks.
Wait! Oh, God.
Oh.
I thought that one was going to blow up into mini sparks or something. No, it was just one that... Oh! A lot of smoke was flashing coming over there. Wait, look! Oh, that was a little...
Oh! You just keep an eye on that side, I'll keep an eye on this side. You tell me when there's any events coming.
Yeah. And I'll tell you as quick as I can.
There's even people. Like,
There's stuff even on the ears.
oh. All the smoke. Smoke. Is that it? Is that it? I think that's it. Fireworks display does go on for a bit of time. This was a bit of time. Oh wait, it's all flash. So there must be more. I think that's it. Let's go back in.